And nowadays, if something is publicly available, yeah, it's kind of guaranteed that the next version of Claude or GPT model or Gemini model, it may be in the parameters of that particular AI model. But there's a difference in making a data publicly available and getting out of insights from the data. So there is a concept in informatics called informatics pyramid. So just to give you an example, let's say a lab is conducting an experiment and they collect the raw data. So that is raw data. You can make it publicly available for other labs. It doesn't matter. That's the raw data. So that's the bottom
Baseline.
layer.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now you look into that data and you label the data. Oh, okay, this corresponds to this one. This corresponds to this particular label A, label B, label C. So now you transform that data into information. And then for each information which you have annotated or labeled, you draw connections. Oh, okay, so this is connected to this particular aspect. So you draw connections over there. So then that information gets transformed into knowledge. And once you have that at the knowledge level, you can get mechanistic insights by traversing over that connections. And that is called wisdom. So you see, you started with raw data to information to knowledge to wisdom. This you won't get despite whether your data is publicly available or not. This is exactly what knowledge graph provides you. So when you are working on let's say a standard vector RAG approach, I would say you're mostly at that information level. You might have converted your data into information when you do the semantic embeddings. But that knowledge graph, that drawing connections, that's where you hit an upper ceiling, because how many top K will you retrieve from your vector search? And how do you know that's the right top K for you? Maybe for this complex question, you may have to retrieve 1,000 top K. I'm just making up some numbers here, but I'm saying you cannot say that a priori. So that's where a knowledge graph would pitch in and say and give you this organically. Yeah, so I just wanted to add that on top of what you said.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks. Vivek, sorry, we've been taking off your talk time.
No, this wonderful discussion is really productive and high quality time that we are spending.
Yeah, no, this has been a fun conversation for me also. Learned a ton of things for sure, right? Yeah, no,